हेल' फरायसाफोर दिनैनि टपिकआनो जाहैबाय अनजिमा हांखोआव रानजोबथाय अनजिमाफोरनि दिन्थिनाय इंलिशआव मा बुङो रिप्रेजेन्टेशन अफ रेशनेल नम्बर्स अन दि नम्बर लाइन बेयो मोनसे इजि टपिक सिन्था दाखालाम गोरलैयैनो सोलोंनो हागोन बेनिफ्राय मोनसे गोनांथार फोसावनाय बेनो जाहैबाय लास्ट भिडिअ अन रेशनेल नम्बर्स बेनि उनाव रेशनेल नाम्बारनि सायाव भिडिअ गैला हो दिस इज द लास्ट वन अलराइट गाहायनि अनजिमा हांखोखौ नोजोर हो ओके बे मिन्थिखागौ जों बे अनजिमा हांखो नैबेयाव लाथिख' राइट बे लाथिख' माने गेजेर आगदाथिं जोंहा पजिटिभ आगखिथिं जोंहा नेगेटिभ नाम्बार पजिटिभ नाम्बार बाव मा होनदों नैबे 011 नि गेजेराव बाहाग खालामदों आरो डिभाइड खालामदों मोननैयाव डिभाइड खालामदों बेयो मोनसे थिग बिदिनो आगसिथिंबो नैबेयाव डिभाइड खालामदों हा नैबे 1 ना बेखौ डिभाइड खालामदों नैबेयाव नै ओरैजाय मोनसे आरो ओरै मोनसे दा नैबे गेजेरनि नैबे हांखोखौ डिभाइड खालामनायखौ जोङो बेबायदि लिरनो हायो 1/2 बेबायदि लिरनो हायो 1/2 नैबेयाव -1/2 मानोना बिथिं माइनास मानो 1/2 लिरदों नैबेखौ मोननैयाव जों डिभाइड खालामदों ओमफ्राय नैबे गेजेर ओंखायनो नैबे गेजेरखौ होनो 1/2 ओमफ्राय बेखौ मा होनगोन बेखौ होनगोन 2/2 माने काउन्टिं बे मोनसे मोननै दङ नैबे 0 आरो 1 नि गेजेराव मोननै डिभिजन दङ हा नैबे मोनसे ओमफ्राय नैबेयाव मोनसे ओंखायनो फार्स्टखौ होनगोन 1/2 सेकेन्डखौ 2/2 2/2 एक्चुअलि 1 थिग बेबायदिनो नेगेटिभआवबो बिदिनो जागोन नैबे जाहैबाय -1 नैबे जाबाय गेजेर बेखौबो होनगोन जों -1/2 नैबेखौनो -2/2 okay -2/2 means -1 all right easy नैबेयाव नायदो नै बेयाव माने 0 आरो 1 नि गेजेराव मोनथाम डिभिजन दं हो बेखौ मोनथामाव बोखावदों 1 2 and 3 ओंखायनो 3 जों डिभाइड खालामदों ओके 1/3 2/3 3/3 थिग बेबायदिनो आगसिथिंजायबो -1/3 -2/3 3/3 -3/3 okay easy नैबेखौ खालामनि दे गाहायाव होनाय अनजिमाफोरखौ अनजिमा हांखोआव दिन्थि ओके बेयो अनजिमा हांखो 2/3 माने प्लास बेयो 0 बा नैबाव 1 मोनसे नखर बे नखरखौ मोनथामाव सिफायनो थिनदों गाहायाव दङ बेयो मोनथाम नखराव सिफाय होनदों 1 2 and 3 this is 1 this is total 3 नखर दंथ' होमबा बे मा जागोन 1/3 नैबे जागोन 2/3 नैबे जागोन 3/3 नैबेनो नैबे ओके 2/3 ओके दाना नेक्स्टखौ नायदो नेक्स्टआव मा होनदों 5 आव डिभाइड खालामनांगौ हा 1 2 3 4 and 5 नैबे जाहैबाय 1/5 नैबे जाहैबाय 2/5 नैबे जाहैबाय 3/5 नैबे जाहैबाय 4/5 ओमफ्राय नैबे 5/5 मा नांगौ 1/5 this is the one this okay easy okay दाना नैखौ नायनि We have the one negatives, minus. Minus matlab that means zero wow. Binary જાય છે. This is minus one. 5 division આવી હોય. છે નઈ thumb bre ba. So this is minus 1 by 5, minus 2 by 5, minus 3 by 5 is by minus 4 by 5. This one is by minus 5 by 5. Okay. 2 by 5 ko na go. Money. This is the position. Say nahi. Okay. Say nahi. Okay. Then I will call 90. People minus 4 or divide kalam ko. Easy. 0 minus 1. 4 or divide and go. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4. Okay. Minus this is minus 1 by 4. Minus 2 by 4. Minus 3 by 4. Minus 4 by 4. Okay. So minus 1 by 4 means this position. This position. Okay. Then anyway minus 9 by 7. 9 now divide column go. Okay. 0 1. 9 now divide column over. Say 9 thumb re ba do sni 9. Okay. Wanna go? There we go. Minus 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Maybe minus 7 by 9. This is the one. Okay. Se, ne, tam, re, ba, do, sni. Okay. This is done. What about this? Very simple. 1 minus 1. Plus. So 0. This side is 0. This side is 1. 7 now divide column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 5 by 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the one. This one is 5 by 7. Okay. This is interesting. Okay. This is very interesting. 0 and this side negative. Let's say this is minus 1 because if you divide minus 9 divided by 5 kalau bapa mungkin jeung mana 1 multiply adra thai bisi 4. Okay. 1 mana multiply adra thai 4. Bamar jagan dia 5 divide kalam tu. 1 2 3 4. Okay. Again. This is 5 6 7 8 9. Okay. So this is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. This is minus 6, minus 7, minus 8, minus 9. Okay, this is the one. This is the one. Hare Sanjam lang there. 1, 2, 3, 3 mana everything little. Okay, this is the one. Easy. All right. Dan yang bukan ini. Menai ranjupthai अनजिमानि गेजेराव थानाय रानजोबथाय अनजिमा. Rational numbers between two rational numbers. माने if this is 5, I have one rational number 5, another 8. बेनि गेजेराव मा rational number दङ? We have 6, right? And 7. What about minus 5 and minus 2? So you have minus 3 and minus 4, right? बेखौनो दिहुननो थोनदों. So there are many procedures, method दङ. बेखौ खालामनानै नायनि. Okay. 2 आरो 5 नि गेजेराव मिथिंगा अनजिमाया जाहैगोन 3 and 4. minus 3 आरो plus 3 नि गेजेराव रग' अनजिमाया जाहैगोन minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1 आरो 2. Okay, plus 2. आरोबाव देश गेजेराव जायखिजाया मोनथाम रानजोबथाय अनजिमा दं. बेनि गेजेराव होनदों. Alright? Okay. माखासे नैबेखौ खालामनि दे. मावफारि minus 5 by 6 आरो नि गेजेराव माखासे रानजोबथाय अनजिमा लिर. आं मोनसे मारै बुंदों. बेयो जाहैदों मोनसे अनजिमा दङ ओरै. आगदाथिंबो दं आगसिथिंबो दङ. बे जाबाय 0. आगदाथिंना मारै जादों 3 by 8 means बेयो 1 बा 3 by 8 माने 8 times divide खालामदों. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 3 by 8 माने 1, 2, 3. This one 3 by 8. ओमफ्राय आगसिथिंबो दङ 6. नैबे minus 1. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. minus 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. minus 5 बेयो 6. दानिया मा होनदों बेनि गेजेराव बेसेबां अनजिमाफोर दङ दिहुननानै नाय होनदों. Okay. बेखौ खालामनोबा जोङो मारै खालामनांगौ नैबे जिनिसखौ नायदे. नैबे जे रानग्रा बेयो very important. very important. रानग्राया एखे नङा. बेयो 6 नैबे 8 रानग्राया एखे नङा. ओंखायनो बेखौ जोङो डाइरेक्टलि बुंनो हाया दे. minus 3 by 8, minus 1 by 8 बिदि होननो हाया. बेखौ नैबे गाहायनिया एखेबासो जों बुंनो हायो. ओंखायनो बेखौ मारै खालामो? बेखौ मारै खालामो नायनि दे. Okay. minus 5 by 6 ओमफ्राय मोनसे दङ 3 by 8. Right? नैबे 6 नैबे 8. ओंखायनो बेखौ मा खालामनांगौ 6 आरो 8 नि एलसिएम दिहुनग्रो. Okay, 6 आरो 8 नि एलसिएम दिहुन. बेनि एलसिएमा बेसे 2, 3, 4 ओमफ्राय थांलाबो. Okay, होमबा बेसेबां जाखो 2 into 3 into 4 बेसेबां जाखो 24, right? This is the LCM. 24 is the LCM. होमबा बेखौ जोङो मारै लिरफिननो हागोन गाहायाव 24. Okay, नैबावबो गाहायाव 24. दाना जोङो 6 खौ 24 जों रानबा बेसेबां मोनो 4, right? So minus 5 into 4. So this is equal to 24 minus 20. Okay. ओमफ्राय बाव नायदो 8 24 खौ 8 जों रानबा मोनो 3, right? गोजौआव 3 दंखायो जोंहा. बेनिफ्राय बेजों रानबा 3 मोनो. So 3. बेसेबां जाखो 24 3 into 9. Okay. दाना बेखौ इजि जाबाय. एखे जाबायना गाहायना रानग्राया एखे जाबायना बे रानग्राया दाना लिरनो हासिगोन minus 20 24 minus 19 24 बिराद बुरजा लिरनो हागोन आरो minus 18 24 बेनिफ्राय लिरबावनो हागोन नैबेसिम लिरनो हागोन प्लाससिम 0 आबो दङ 1 1 1 by 24 खौ लिरनो हागोन बेखौ बेसिम ना बेनिफ्राय 8 by 24 खौ लिरनो हागोन okay these are the solution नै बिसोरनो बिराद लिरनो हागोन आरो नों okay बेनो solution alright नैबेखौ गोसोआव लादे बेबादिनो मोननै रानजोबथाय अनजिमानि गेजेराव सानथ्र'हायै रानजोबथाय अनजिमा दिहुननो हायो okay now let's say 2 आरो 3 नि गेजेराव बेसेबां रानजोबथाय अनजिमा दं मारै दिहुननो 2 खौ जों ओरैबो लिरनो हायो right 3 खौबो जों ओरैबो लिरनो हायो and बेखौ जों ओरैबो लिरनो हागोन ना 2 into 100 huh? 2 into 100 लिरनो हायो ना 2 into 100 then 1 into 100 बेबो लिरनो हायो ना थिग बेबायदिनो 3 into 100 1 into 100 correct बेबायदिबो लिरनो हायो ना अच्छा अगर बेबायदि लिरनो हायोबा नैबेनि जाहैबाय 200 100 ना नैबेयाव जादों 300 100 दानिया नायदो 200 आरो 300 गेजेराव बेसेबांबा नाम्बार अनजिमा लिरनो हागोन नोङो 200 1 by 100 200 2 by 100 200 3 by 100 माने less than 300 बेयाव लिरनो हाबाय आरो जों okay less than 300 सिमसो दङ बेखौ लिरनो हाबाय okay easy आरो जोंहा मोनसे टेकनिक दंबावो this is another technique गेजेराव एबा गड़ दिहुननाय average गड़ means average in English okay गोसोआव लाखि दे average 4 आरो 6 नि average दिहुननांगौ मारै खालामगोन 4 plus 6 divided by 2 बेखौनो average right okay average गड़ दाजाबदो ओमफ्राय नैजों रानफिनदो मोननैबो okay बेखौनो average होनो बावनायदो नै 1 by 3 आरो 1 by 5 नि गेजेर मानेबा गड़ मारै दिहुनो 1 by 3 plus 1 by 5 divided by 2 so this is the गेजेर मान this is the average बेयो मोननै नम्बर two rational numbers 1 by 3 let's say 1 by 3 is bigger than 1 by 5 let's say this is 1 by 3 okay and let's say it is 1 by 5 okay this is 0 and this is 1 नैबाव खालामदों 1 by 3 आरो 1 by 5 नि गेजेर means somewhere here so this is 4 by 15 दानिया बेनि गेजेरखौबो दिहुननो हागोन बेनिखौ हायोना मोननैखौ दिहुननो हायो बेनिफ्राय नैबाव मा खालामदों 1 by 3 ओमफ्राय 4 by 15 नैबाव गेजेरखौ दिहुनदों बे गेजेरखौ दिहुनदों ओके बे गेजेरखौ दिहुनबा मा मोनगोन 3 by 10 ओके बेनिफ्राय 3 by 10 ओमफ्राय बेनि गेजेराव दिहुननो हागोन बेनिखौ दिहुननो मतलब गड़ दिहुननानैबो जोङो रेशनेल नाम्बारफोरखौ मोननो हायो आरो this is one way of finding out rational numbers between two rational numbers बे मोनसे मेथड ओके गड़ बेयावबो गड़ दिहुननो हागोन नोङो नैबेनि गेजेरावबो गर दिहुननांगोन, बेयावबो गर हागोन, बे गर ओमफ्राय गर मोनखांनानै आरो नैबेयावबो गर दिहुनदो, आरो बेनो दिहुनदो, 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 दिहुननो हायो आरो। That is हिसाब गैयै काउन्टलेस सानथ्र'हायै सानथ्र'हायै मोनगोन आरो। अलराइट बेखौ गोसोआव लाखि दे। ए आरो बिआ मोननै रानजोबथाय अनजिमा जायोब्ला ए प्लास बि बेखौ नोङो गर, राइट? ए आरो बिनि गेजेराव थानाय मोनसे रानजोबथाय अनजिमा, येस। ए प्लास बिआ ए आरो बिनि गेजेराव थानाय रानजोबनाय। सपोज ए इक्वल टु 2, b equal to 4. So a plus b is 2 plus 4 divided by 2, you'll get 3. Huh? गेजेराव बेखौनो होनदों। ए आरो बिआ मोननै रानजोबथाय अनजिमा जायोब्ला ए प्लास बि डिवाइडेड बाय 2 आ ए आरो बिनि गेजेराव थानाय मोनसे रानजोबथाय अनजिमा जागोन, जेराव a is less than a plus b by 2 and is less than b. Okay, because 2 is less than 3, 3 is less than 4. Okay. Alright. दानिया जोंहा दङ सोंथि बिदां 1.2 exercise 1.2 नम्बर 1 दङ गाहायाव होनाय अनजिमा माखासेखौ अनजिमा हांखोआव फज'। गोरलै, बेयो पजिटिभ ना? रिलेटिभ। नैबाव 0, नैबाव 1, बेनिफ्राय उनाव नायसिगोन। अके, बेखौ डिभाइड खालामदों 5 जों, मोनसे खथाखौ 5 जों 1 2 3 4 5 हो गया। 1 2 3 4 5 ओके, बेयो जाहैबाय 5 जों डिवाइडिं दं। दिस इज 1 by 5, this one is 2 by 5, this one is 3 by 5, this one is 4 by 5, this is 5 by 5, then this is 6 by 5, this one is 7 by 5, this one is 8 by 5, then even 9 by 5. This is actually 10 by 5, which is equal to 2. So, जोंनो नांगौ 9 by 5, नैबे. Okay, 9 by 5. Okay. All right, we'll move on. Now this 13 negative, okay? 0 minus 1. 13 times divide kalamdani. Say 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. So this is minus 2. This one is minus 1 by 13. This one is minus 2 by 13. This is what we want. Again minus 3 by 13. Okay, like that you can write. So this is the answer. This is the position. Okay, like that you mention other position as well. This will be minus 12 by 13. This one. This will be minus 10 by 13. This one. Okay, easy. Now this will be negative. So 0 will be this side. Then let's say this is minus 1. 7 thing divide column 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. When I go minus 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Minus 5 by 7. This is the position. Okay. This is minus 1, 0, minus 1. 3 is in divide column. 3. 1, 2, 3. Minus 1 by 3. This is minus 2 by 3. This is minus 3 by 3, which is equal to 1. So this is the answer. Okay. दानिया नैबेखौ अनजिमा हांखोआव फज'नि नैबे अनजिमा हांखो नैबे 0 नैबेथिं पजिटिभ नम्बर्स नैबेथिं नेगेटिभ नम्बर्स नैबे 1 नैबे जाहैबाय 2 ओरैखौ लिरलां बाव नायदो 2 जों बे गिदिर खथाखौ डिभाइड खालामदों मोननै मोननै बोखावदों ओमफ्राय फिसा खथा बानायबावगोन नै बे मोनसे फिसा खथा ओमफ्राय बे मोनसे गिदिर खथा बे मोनसे फिसा खथा बिथिंबो बिदिनो गिदिर खथा फिसा खथा नैबेनि जाहैबाय 0/2 मानोना जोंहा 2 जों डिभाइड खालामदों ओके नैबे जाहैबाय 1/2 नैबे जाहैबाय 2/2 नैबे जाहैबाय 3/2 आरो नैबे जाहैबाय 4/2 ओके जोंना कुइसना नै 3/2 आ बबेहाय 3/2 आ नैबाव ओके easy all right we'll move on now this गाहायाव होनाय अनजिमाफोरनि गेजेराव थानाय जायखिजाया मोनबा रानजोबथाय अनजिमा लिर okay the first one is this one -3 by 5 then 1/3 just see गाहायनिया एलसिएम दिहुननानै ला हो 5 and 3 एखे नङाना बाहाय 5 दङ नैबाव 3 दङ रानग्राया थ' एलसिएम दिहुननानै ला बेनि एलसिएमा बेसेबां 5 and 3 नि एलसिएमा एक्चुअलि 5 into 3 which is actually 15 okay 15 remember LCM is 15 okay LCM is 15 so this is equal to what chi of 15 goes to 3 into 5 a15 को 5 जों divide खालामबा मोनगोन 3 okay again 3 okay then this can be written as 15 1 दङ now 5 15 को 3 जों divide मा खालामगोन 5 okay this is 5 now this is equal to how much 3 into 3 minus 9 then we have 15 here you get how much 5 into 1 5 then you have 15 okay then yeah numbers only 5 numbers very easy you have -9 by 15 comma I can write -8 by 15 comma I can write -7 by 15 I can write -6 by 15 I can write -5 by 15 so many I can write -4 by 15 I have to write only 5 na? I have to write only 5 so many I can write okay 1 2 3 4 5 okay all right understood okay then I'm going to very easy -2 by 3 kaya will be 5 by 3 easy LCM is same okay LCM is same now I can write -1 by 3 yes then I can write 0 by 3 then I can write 1 by 3 then I can write 2 by 3 I can write 3 by 3 meaning 1 2 3 4 then 4 by 3 until 5 by 3 okay 1 2 3 4 5 oh yeah okay this is easy now this minus 5, then minus 4. That means minus 3 and minus 2. But you have to write 5. Below Manilo Lijavana. Then can you become hard to set technique? Okay. So what we can do is pay minus 5 ko 100 lani. It becomes 100. Okay. This is same as this. This can be written as minus 4 into 100. 100. So this is how much? 100. This is minus 500. This equal minus 400. 100, right? Then I easy. Vishwang lin hanin le. Vishwang wo bura lin kada. Minus ये negative na positive. So I can write 499 by 100, comma 498 by 100 minus 497 by 100 minus 496 by 100. 1, 2, 3, 4, or little higher. Minus 495 by 100. Many things, many you can write. Okay, so many you can write because 500 and 400 is a number, right? So you can write in any five. Understood? Okay. All right. Then yeah, maybe. Oh, well, is it different? Minus 2 by 3. Again, minus 3. So this can be written by 2 by 3. Okay. Minus minus. Nah. Minus 3 by 7. Then again. Pair 7 about 3. Any LCM siyang 3, 7 LCM actually 3 into 7, which is actually 21. Okay. So this is 21. This is 21. Okay. Now you divide 21 by 3. How much you get? You get 7. Here, sorry. Here, how much? 3. You 3 don't kaya. 21 ko 7 jeng divide kalam by 3 man again. Okay. So this is 21. 3 into 3, 9. This is actually 21. This is 7, 14, right? Then a B meaning is a 5 easy na. Easily now you can write here. Okay. What are those 5 numbers? Between 14 by 21 and 9 by 21. Easy. 10 by 21. 11 by 21. 12 by 21. Okay. Then 13 by 21. Okay, 5 ra te. Amba jeng makalamgan. May 5 ra na. Okay. 5 ra manalay. Jeng ko unsi kalampin na. It's not working with this, right? Calm down. Because 14 minus this actually you get only 5. Yeah. Now only because between these two numbers you get only 4. Yung kanya because yung malay kalampin again 14 21 ko ang 10 jeng sanjapsin get 10 by 10. So we get 140 210. Okay. Take within a 9 ko 921 ko 10 10 jeng sanjapsin get na. Bawa man get 19 to 210. Then yan ite. Ni wini ke jarao. Wini ke jarao. Shango bra number na. So what we can write is 140 90 to na 90. So I'll write 91 by 210 92 by 210, 93 by 210, 94 by 210. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then I can write one more. 95, 95 by 210. Okay, this is the answer. This, 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 and this. Five numbers. One, two, three, four, five. Okay. Number common waging karam multiply. Then here 100, here 20 waging multiply kalamba. Okay. Okay. Understood? Last exercise. -2 by 5 निकृदेरसिन. Okay. आरो निख्रुइ दुइसिन जायखिजाया मोनबा रानजोबथाय अनजिमा लिर. So this is basically what we are saying is 2 by 5, 1 by 2 नि गेजेराव मोनबा अनजिमाफोरखौ रानजोबथाय अनजिमाफोरखौ लिरनो थिनदों आरो. This is same as this. बेबायदिनो. Okay. So what is the LCM of 5 and 2? That we need to find out first. 5 and 2 ni LCM बेसे? This is will be 5 into 2, which is basically 10. Okay. So this is -2, then we have the more 10, right? LCM. So 10 divided by 5 is actually 2. Okay. Here we have 1 into I have 10. 10 divided by 2 is actually 5. So this is equal to -4 by 10, and here 5 by 10. Okay, easy जाबाय ना बेनिफ्राय देरसिन नांगौ. होमबा नम्बर 5 नम्बर जाबाय -3 by 10, -2 by 10, -1 by 10, 0 by 10, which is actually 0. 1, 2, 3. Then we have plus side with it. 1 by 10, 2 by 10. Like that you can write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Okay. All right. I hope you have understood. Okay.